Are you looking to elevate your sugar flower making skills and create beautiful, realistic hydrangeas? Look no further than our online sugar flower hydrangea class. With the hydrangea flower's diverse range of sizes, shapes, and colors, it's the perfect flower for cake decorating. In this course, you'll gain a deep understanding of the importance of observing fresh flowers as inspiration, as well as the different techniques and tools that can be used to replicate their beauty in sugar form. You'll learn how to create this stunning bloom on a single wire stem. This technique is much faster than individually wiring each petal, allowing you to create beautiful flowers in record time. In fact, with just 4 minutes of preparation, cutting, modeling, and coloring, you can bring your hydrangea flower to life with ease. Whether you're a beginner just starting out in the world of cake decorating, or an experienced cake maker looking to take your skills to the next level, our sugar flower hydrangea class is the perfect choice for you. For beginners, the hydrangea flower is the perfect place to start. Its diverse range of shapes and colors make it an ideal flower to practice with, and our classes provide you with all the guidance and support you need to create stunning, professional quality hydrangea flowers from the very first try. We'll guide you through the basic technique of creating hydrangea flowers, with step-by-step instructions from all angles and at different speeds. And we'll teach you how to put your flowers in the right position for drying, so they maintain their shape and look stunning. But don't be fooled by its simplicity. The hydrangea is also a versatile and challenging flower that will keep even the most advanced cake makers engaged and inspired. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can create stunning, lifelike hydrangea flowers. Our video instructions are also designed with high attention to detail, including many repetitions of both basic and advanced techniques. This ensures that you'll be able to follow along with ease and master the skills you need to create beautiful, realistic hydrangea blooms. They are without audio and jingles, so you can listen to your own music while you work. This allows you to stay in the creative zone and enjoy the process while learning new techniques. Our expert instructor Maria shares her insights and expertise with students in detailed PDF hydrangea sugar flower book that includes step-by-step instructions and photos to guide you through the process. And for our international students, we understand that language can be a barrier, which is why our book is available for translation into your mother language. Maria's inspiration comes from the natural world. She draws on the beauty and diversity of real flowers to create her designs, and encourages her students to do the same. Maria's approach to flower making is both practical and artistic. She understands the importance of working efficiently and quickly in a business that demands it, but also recognizes the value of taking the time to think and create with an artistic eye. To achieve authenticity and unlock endless creative possibilities in cake decorating with sugar flower hydrangeas, it's crucial to have a firm grasp on color theory, including how colors blend and complement each other, and how even subtle variations in color can make a big difference in replicating the look of real flowers. So why not join us today? You'll come away from our classes with new skills, new insights, and a whole new level of confidence in your ability to create stunning sugar flowers for your cakes. Hydrangea class is the perfect place to start. This chapter contains the complete recipe for the silky flower paste that I developed.
Introducing the revolutionary new gum paste that will change the way you create beautiful flower designs forever. Say goodbye to the frustration of traditional flower paste that just won't cooperate in wet, warm, or cold conditions. Non-sticky. With a smooth texture. Edible. It's like clay or cold porcelain. To prepare the recipe, ensure you measure all the ingredients accurately in grams. You will require a bowl and either a spoon or a small whisk. Begin by dissolving the gum leaves in warm water. Rinse them until the sugar coating dissolves and the gum becomes smooth. Next, mix a small amount of powdered sugar with pectin, ensuring that it dissolves nicely when blended with water. Pour water into the blender, put on the lid, and turn it on. Add the pectin and let it blend for approximately 15 seconds. Turn off the blender and use a silicone spatula to scrape down the walls of the blender to ensure the pectin is thoroughly combined. Once done, put the lid back on and blend for a few more seconds. Once again, turn off the blender and use a spatula to scrape down the sides of the bowl. Add all the powdered sugar, put the lid back on, and blend for a few more seconds. Then, pour the softened coconut oil through the opening in the lid. Depending on the temperature of the water, the consistency of the mixture may vary between liquid and gelatinized. However, do not worry as the final product will remain the same. Let me show you what the mixture will look like in both cases. If it has gelatinized, shake everything from the blender into a large bowl and scoop up as much as you can. Then, using a spoon, place the softened gum into the mixture. Gradually add the cornstarch while mixing and keep in mind that the quality of cornstarch may vary. Some may absorb more or less water, resulting in a more liquid consistency. However, you need not worry as we will solve this by adding more or less food-grade gum, which is easier to control. Remember to set aside the cornstarch, which you will later knead together with the CMC to form the dough. This is how the mixture of dissolved pectin, sugar, and oil looks like in its liquid state. We will add cornstarch in the same manner. Be sure to reserve at least 2 full spoons of cornstarch to knead the dough later when we transfer it to the work surface along with the CMC. Add 2/3 of the CMC to the mixture in the bowl and stir with a spoon until the dough is formed. Transfer the dough onto the work surface. Mix the remaining cornstarch and CMC. Knead the dough together with the cornstarch and CMC mixture until it becomes smooth. To ensure the silky paste reaches the right consistency, it's important to follow the right measurement based on the weather conditions. In extremely dry weather, use 20 grams of CMC, while in extremely wet weather, use a maximum of 25 grams T. Transfer the finished silky flour paste into a tight bag and leave it at room temperature for 12 hours. After that, knead the dough again. You will notice dots of edible gum. Knead the dough and it will turn white and smooth and ready to work with. To be safe, always start with 20 grams and observe the dough's texture. If the dough is too soft and liquid, measure an additional 5 grams of CMC and add only 2 grams of it at first. After 3 hours, check the dough again, and if it's still too sticky, add more CMC, up to the remaining 3 grams. It's better to be cautious, and the dough should not be sticky to the touch. It looks amazing. So smooth. The good news is that we don't need cornstarch because the paste is already non-sticky and silky. In fact, water is the only glue you'll need. Plus, it combines fantastically with modeling chocolate if you want to try.
So let's get started on your journey into the world of sugar flowers.